Alright, so today I'm going to show you guys how I make my fish and chips. All you really need is obviously some flour. I've added some herbs in there from Robinson's. I've also added some barbecue spice, you can see there. And this is the only thing I actually really need left is an egg and a bit of water, maybe a cup of water in here. Alright, so if you can see here, I've made some chips. I've cut some chips like into fries. What I've done is I've pre-boiled them, right, but not for very long, so it's soft. So when you cook it, it's very soft on the inside, but it's crispy on the outside. Then I've got my egg. Crack one egg. Make sure not to get any of the shell in your batter, right? So now I'm just mixing my egg with the batter. Right, obviously I've got some oil in a pot here. Okay. Take your fillet fish, you dip it in your batter, just like that. And then you dip your fish in your boiling oil. And then all you do is you just flip your fish. It won't take very long until it's golden brown. Okay. And then when you're happy with your fish and you notice that it's nice and golden brown, you can take that guy out. Put him down there. And then the next guy goes in. Okay, now you got your fish and you're happy with your fish. Obviously work onto your chips. I'm not going to batter the chips, I'm just going to pop them in as they are. And they should take 15 to 20 minutes until you get them to golden brown, and then you have your fish and chips, guys.